In this video, I am going to teach you how to verify your identity on Kraken so you can start trading and withdrawing funds without any limits. Completing your verification keeps your account secure and compliant. Let's get started. To create an account, watch my previous video on how to create it. Once you have your account ready, now we will verify it. Verification is required to fully activate your Kraken features. Next, just answer your legal first and last name, date of birth, address, and phone number accurately. Double-check the spelling and numbers before submitting. Answer the additional information about your source of income. Just fill it in honestly. This is part of Kraken's KYC requirements to keep your funds secure. Now choose what government-issued ID you will use for verification. It can be a passport, driver's license, or national ID depending on your country. Upload a clear photo of the ID you chose and wait for Kraken to verify it. You may get an email once the verification is complete. And that's how to verify your identity on Kraken. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!